I'm on a no AC service call. This unit's not cooling. I gotta wait for its owner to come home. So I figure while I wait, I'll screw around and check out the condenser and just see if like anything's going on. Let's kill the power, because what if it's something stupid like a wire? Ah, mosquito. Smack and step. Okay, it's gone. I know I shouldn't do that. Okay. Loose wires. Now it's going to this box, the utility box. Waste of friggin' time. What is that? Oh, contactor's broken. Okay, well, that is the problem. The contactor's contacts have decided they don't want to stay in place. So let me go get a contactor and get this thing fixed. I'll have it fixed before its owner is even home and able to turn it on for me. Alright, so let's get this thing out of here. Make sure you know what's connected to what, but another thing to do is make sure that your disconnect is really off. I've had disconnects say they were off, but they weren't, so always verify before you disconnect this incoming 240. And we don't have anything, so we're good to go. Now we just take usually a 6-in-1, fits perfect, over this, and we loosen, and we loosen. A lot of times I tighten on my maintenances, the little screws on these contactors, and it prevents that from this failure from happening. And this could have happened because of anything, but boom, boom. Okay, out of my way. Let's see. Compressor wires out of my way. Out of my way. Out of my way. Yep. Let me stand up, get closer. I'm hoping there was nothing wrong with this fan, because I swapped the fan last year. The system was severely overcharged. So now let's see, this gray wire comes up to my time delay. Okay, yellow wire is going to, let's see, time delay also. Coming in here, close to my thermostat wire, more than likely. Okay, well, that's a wire not just taped up. That wasn't me, that was before me, so, but whatever. So comes in off of this, comes over, one wire goes, contactor, other wire goes to the time delay. That's my common. Blue is my start. So this goes through all my safeties. Boom, disconnect the blue, tied into a gray. Then the gray, which comes up over to my time delay. Could have a problem with the time delay, but let's one thing at a time. I'm gonna twist these so I know that they go together. I mean, I could even put them together. So now let's pop this off. Out. Any screws on the bottom? Nope. So once this is out, it's done. It's out. Alright. I'll take electrical failures any day, because I didn't want to see this thing toast. But as you can see, the contact completely burnt off over here. So let's get a new one in, and we could look at this more later. But alright, so now to put this back in. I usually don't recommend using a drill for this stuff, but this is the last time's contactor should be replacing this unit. So so it should be okay. I was going on a little angle, so. Now these two wires right to here. My other low voltage wire is hanging out where these are my fan wire. Okay, so that is going to tie in to down here. This is my capacitor wire. What is this coming through? I don't like its path. Let's put it in front. Black. Boom. I gotta tighten that. I don't like that connection. Too loose. I think I just made that last year. So, just see if this tightens it without making it seem like it's getting weak. Because one thing you don't want to do is make the metal weak. Okay, probably got loose when I took it off. Good, that's tight. The white wire, the black wire, the red and black. Now, these don't fit into my contactor correctly. Good, good. I found the problem already. I think, as long as there's no other problems. Here, the contactor here, the switch broke. A little low voltage. It's tight, but not good enough. Let's see if I do this. I want it tight, where it won't fall off. I think that'll be good, and it's not stressing or cracking. So then just replace it. This is junk. It shouldn't be here. Now, open this. So this unit's about to get turned on, but I still have the power off. But my low voltage is connected. And then I gotta make sure my time delay is not causing problems. I gotta move you guys out of my way because you guys are hogging the good seat. Boom. Alright, here we go. Starting to get eaten up. Not used to these mosquitoes yet. Put that back there. The beginning of the year is always fun. The contactor pulled. You can see the mosquito flying right next to my hand. Pew! I got him. Shot him down. I see more of them around me. Oh, they're friggin' nuts. They keep attacking. Don't. Okay, so now gotta make these connect. And you really don't have to do much with these. You could collapse them. And if they give you a hard time, then cut them off. But there. Like that. And then in the contactor, you'll crush it. Boom. Boom. This. Then that goes in. Mosquitoes love me. Not sure why. But I'm being eaten alive. Ooh. Where's he at? Right by the eye. Tried to get me. Make sure these are tight. Let's go with a smaller blade. Most of the time that blade's good. Not right now. Good. Good. Okay. I just don't. Let's see, can I reroute it? Okay, we're no longer pulled. I don't like it so close to line voltage. But can I safely remove it without shorting it to ground? I've decided what I want to remove. Time delays on this. Bring it in front. I've had these wires get pinched and short out. I don't want that. These are good people. This unit keeps comfortable, so I don't want them uncomfortable. There we go, contactor pulled again. Short time delay. It doesn't, I don't think it's adjustable. Okay. Nah. Not adjustable at all. But okay, so let's see. To the front. See what happens when we turn it on. Do an overall amp draw. Here. Tools on the top. And away we go. Nice. So we're at about 15 amps on start. Let's see where it goes. Overall, what do we got on the unit? We got compressor, running load is 19, almost 20, and the fan is 1.5. So we're under 14 here. Fan 1.5, we're 1.7. Oh wait, not OEM, can't go by the door. So 1.7, and the compressor I can go by the door. So up 2 wires in there, move. Boom. 12.8 on the compressor. And let's just see what the fan is rated for. I'm getting 1.7. I gotta stop it. Had to make it work. So the filter's nice and clean. The motor's rated 1.7. I have 1.68, so I'm right under. My refrigerant charge is pretty good. I'm right over 60, and it's about 65 degrees right now, so that's golden. Well, I know I'm not doing subcooling or superheat. I'm not for that. The house dropped 4 degrees already. Till next time, I'm out.